Wireless positioning units. Do you have any trouble setting up production lines in your factory? Do you do positioning many times a day and operate countless manual handles? Manual setup with handles requires considerable time and effort. Just replace existing handles with wireless positioning units. Control multiple units from a PLC or PC. Use wireless communication to automatically perform positioning in multiple locations. Annual setup time can be reduced by around 84% compared to manual positioning. This is the right solution for setup automation. Wireless positioning units.